My name's Emma Harrison and I run the Three Hills, which is a pub, restaurant, hotel located in Bartlow, Cambridgeshire. We've got 4 rooms out in a guest lodge, and we have another 2 rooms upstairs and a 2-bedroom flat. So we bought the pub in 2015 and opened it in November 17 and ran with InStyle right from the very beginning. Now, I've been really happy with InStyle from the minute we started because it's really simple to use, and the people on the other end of the chat thing are very helpful when we have problems. It's very intuitive, and they keep adding new little gizmos and things that make it easier, so I'm really happy with it. And actually, in the last 4 years since we've been open, I've had a lot of people contact me to see if I would like to change to a different PMS system, but I've never really been tempted. It's always really worked well for me. When I was looking at different booking systems, InStyle was really, it's very intuitive to use, visually very easy, and it's very easy to teach new staff how to use it. So, I mean, it was kind of a no-brainer for me. I had to select every system from this pub right at the beginning because we were nothing. So we'd taken everything out of the pub and started again. So I wanted something that would work really well from the very beginning. And it just ticked all the boxes. What I really liked about it was very easy to set up. Sometimes, particularly if you go on some of the online booking agents and try and set up your property on those, it's really, really complicated. And InStyle was incredibly simple. I like the customer user face, so you can click through onto customer view and constantly check what you're looking at, which you don't get necessarily with other products. I like the reminders that come in every day to tell me who's coming and whether I can have a rest or not. I like the new little feature that says why you're closing a room, because that in the past was lacking. So we'd block off a whole bunch of rooms and then we'd think, what event was that for? So now we've got a little feature that says whose wedding it's for, or whether we're cleaning the room, all that sort of thing. It's a great system. To begin with, one of the things that was really important, because the pub wasn't open for the first year of running the rooms and there was nobody here, we needed a system which would very easily be able to communicate with our guests certain things, like how to self-check-in, the fact that the pub was closed, the fact that, in fact, we were a building site for the first year. And it worked really well because we had very few complaints. I mean, there's always going to be 1 or 2 that come and say, whoa, there's nothing here. The rooms are immaculate. So it was a little bit like they were arriving to this sort of box of beautiful rooms on a site that was yet to be completed. And InStyle was quite good because I was able to use all the personalised emails that go out automatically to explain to people, this is what we do. And also going forward, we decided to close on a Monday and Tuesday, but the rooms are still open. So again, it's useful because it sends out automatic emails that explains to people how to get in, how to access key codes, all that kind of thing. And so that's been fantastic. Because I had to choose a booking system, a reservation system, CCTV, cutlery, tip tables, absolutely everything, literally within the space of about 6 to 8 weeks before we got opening. I just jumped on something that looked really easy and looked like it was going to do what I needed it to do. It was clearly working for other pubs that I researched, and I've always been a believer in why reinvent the wheel? Just take an example of something that's working well and use it as well. So that's what I did. It's a standout product. It just works really well. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's better always to take direct bookings. First of all, your net revenue is higher because you're not giving 18% to other agents. But also you get the chance to chat to people and explain whether you're closed, do they want breakfast, what time would they like breakfast, all that sort of stuff. So we try to encourage direct bookings straight to the website, and we've embedded InStyle onto our website directly. And that, again, seems to work well. You can customise it so that it's your own colours, and it doesn't look like it's an embedded site. It just looks like part of your own website, which is really helpful. It sounds like I'm trying to plug it, but in reality, I've changed every other system that I picked 4 years ago when I started the pub. I've actually changed, and I haven't changed InStyle. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend InStyle to anybody. I think it's fantastic. It was very easy to set up. It's very reasonable. The support is wonderful, and it looks good from the customer viewpoint. And I mean, everything that it does it's a really cool product. I really like it.
You've done very well.
Hey, it's easy if you like the product.